Trickster Randy here. It is a beautiful day in Maine, and beautiful, I mean like 84 degrees. So of course I celebrate such beautiful weather by working in a black car in the sun all day. Let me talk about what I was doing all day today, or most of the day actually. Interior trim. I thought exterior trim was a pain in my you-know-what, but interior trim is, well, you ever heard of that song, like the hip bone's connected to the knee bone and the knee bone's connected to the, yeah, that's kind of how trim goes. So I want to show you what I did through learning, through all my mistakes, and hopefully it helps you. I found what works best is start in the front, work your way back. So rear view mirror, and then this piece of trim slides on top of that. Goes along the front, over the steering wheel. Then this A-pillar trim, which tucks into that corner. So this slides underneath that. Now keep this unscrewed because you're putting this long piece underneath it. Let's go look at what it connects to. All right, so we've got the long piece coming around. This is where they join. Now this piece is supposed to slide over this piece. Mine fit that they're butting against each other, and it is giving this piece a lot of tension, which is good. So I'm leaving it. This piece was a little misshapen. It worked well for me. All right, so then this piece comes over this piece, which let me talk about in the next clip here. Hold on. Now let's talk about these sail panels for a little bit. These are a major pain in the butt. Mine, in the heat, I actually put a new covering on them, and they completely became unglued like bad wallpaper. So I've had a struggle with them. Had to repaint them a few times because they just got so dirty by me handling them. So basically to get it fit kind of snug down in the corner there, I cut the tabs. There's tabs that go up on the passenger tray, the new passenger trays. Cut those off, and that way the sail panel can sneak down behind there and be a bit more flush. And there's also a couple of clips that this is supposed to hold on to. My clips are gone, they fell off. And so it was hard to kind of align it up in the right place. And then in the meantime, this is on so tight, you have to tuck it down under there. It's a pain. And then maneuver this. There's really no tip or trick I can give you there. You just kind of have to work with it and work it behind the passenger tray, and get it to fit. My goal was just to kind of have it tucked down in there. I'll eventually be putting some kind of fabric or carpet on the passenger tray, so I wasn't overly concerned, but I did want it kind of snug down in there. It was a real pain. What else did I do? Oh, this piece right here, I actually ended up hot gluing it on just because it came off when I disassembled the car. I painted them, and I ended up hot gluing it on, and it came out fine. It came out great, actually, as you can see. So then finally, rear window trim, you really need to find the correct little corner pieces. I had some, because my car had so much damage in the passenger back side. I lost a lot of those little plastic pieces, so I had to big bore and steel to find them. So those do go on last. I can see my sail panel still a little bubbly. I'm not really happy with that, and I think at one point I'll be taking those out and redo them, but at this point I just wanted to get it in and done. So I hope that helps. Kind of a long video. It's a process. The screws don't always go in straight too, and finding the holes again when they may have been filled by paint or covered by the headliner is difficult too. But, you know, time and patience. It's about the journey, not always the destination. So, all right, thanks, guys.